no, foot down. He is very cranky. What? It's my turny turn. And it's my turn to turn. Oh, if this goes another full cycle without me going over the... I'm done well going over the curb. He's coming on! Is there a bit in the road I'm meant to be on? You're kidding! That was ridiculous. Done like 4 changes of lights. Oh, no sirens went off. Arriving soon at Bilpin Moto Adventures to do some trials. And for those of you who don't know what trials is, you're about to find out. Riding tricky tracks on a very, very light, usually 2-stroke, sometimes 4-stroke little motorbike without a seat. And it is very enjoyable. Part of the question you might have is why. For anybody who rides off-road, you probably know why, and that is it is absolutely the way to get better at off-road. It helps with balance, with clutch control, with all of that goodness that you want to feel that I'm improving. I was saying to Liz, I get jealous of her. I watching the videos when we edit, and you know, because we're about a month and a bit behind, we're looking at these videos, I'm like, you're so much better than that now. You can see her getting better each time. Plus also just the idea of learning. I remember developing this theory when I was a kid, that if your skill set is expanding in that you are developing new skills but also getting better at your existing skills, I feel like that is a recipe for, I'm not sure happiness. I think happiness might be some of it, but I mean there's inherent angst in that. I think happiness is a bad aim in and of itself. But I do think it's a secret for confidence. I do think it's a secret for attracting a good partner or getting a good job. You know, your job interview is sitting down with somebody and them essentially saying how broad's your skill set. So if you're expanding your skill set, but I think that much more than that, it's confidence, that sense of I like feeling comfortable when I go places and I go try new things. I'm like, yeah, I reckon I can do this. Come on. Don't make me look like a fool in front of my friends. Here we go, there's Dave and Dave. You?
Yeah, it really was. G'day Dave, good to see you again. Oh, g'day other Dave.
First thing we practice is low speed control, which is so important out on the trails and even helps with the high speed stuff.
Try and follow in his tyre tracks. Bit waggly. You can see he's just using so much less energy than I am.
Static balance is one of the most useful skills.
Nice.
And like everything else, Dave is better at it than I am.
Cool. Looks so serious though.
Yeah, you get such a cranky look on your face when you're concentrating.
That's any dimples, that's it. That's what we want. Okay, balance is really coming along. I can see that really good, which is what we need probably a little bit later. We're going to do what we call the endo in trials. There's 2 reasons why we do it in trials. So if you're coming up to an object and you want to turn around and go that way and there's no room, so you go in on your front wheel, turn around and drive out that way. It's all about putting yourself in a danger zone and releasing that brake to let you go. Because sometimes guys will panic when they come downhill and everything's going shit, so they just won't release that front brake, and guess what happens?
Alright, you go first this time, so I can film you. Feel free to face plant and create some good content for me. Got it better this time. Nobody saw that, therefore it didn't happen. Okay. Getting a bit exhausted.
And on the way up we're going to do this thing called handlebar to hip. Don't really use the clutch, just down.
And then you start putting it together and you get these beautiful hits of dopamine. You're like, you know, you're struggling and you're trying, and then, oh yeah, it feels good, doesn't it? It's those struggles, those challenges where you try something and you almost get it.
Yeah?
One again, just do the little one again, get used to it again.
Okay.
It's those hits of dopamine that help you get back up after you make a little mistake, and you try it again, and it's a struggle, but with all that trying, all that learning, you feel like, yeah, I can do it. I can definitely do this.
Woo, no foot down. Oh, that got me a bit.
There we go. That's you going through first, Harry. That was a good little mono in the middle of it.
I wanted to get over that little gap.
See, Dave, see how you're just getting that real aggressive, and then as soon as you get off, you just back off. Aggressive, as soon as you get on top of something, you just relax again.
Yeah, right.
And the ride's not finished until you park it. That's what happened to you, wasn't it?
That's why I'm shoulder charged a tractor tyre. Yeah, fine. Might need to get another go at the rocks. Just freaked out a little bit. Okay, still freaking out a little bit. That was a lizard. Just there to distract me. you. I did a thing that Dave didn't do first time. Thank you though, Dave, that's very thoughtful of you. There he goes.
That's it, you've made it to the end of another episode, you diligent individual you. Thank you very much for watching all the way through. Please like the video, it helps us out. Ask us any questions, make comments, insults. Hit the bell and subscribe, because most of our viewers are unsubscribed, and you could probably help us with that because we're really hoping this channel goes somewhere. Get it? It's a channel pun. Anyway, if you're the part of any groups of people you think might like it, Facebook or anything, share it with them. It'll really help us out. And if you're looking for any trials coaching, trials experience, we went with Bilpin Moto Adventures with Dave, who's in the Blue Mountains. I know they also do stuff up in Brisbane. Fantastic outfit. Haven't paid me anything for this, just thought they are well worth a shout out. So do consider it, and we'll see you again soon.